back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be doing a piercing related video. It involves my Labret piercing. My Labret piercing is my newest piercing that I have. I got this done in October of 2022, so it's about 5 months old. And the whole process of my Labret piercing has been documented on my channel. When I got it the first week, changing it for the first time, a 2-month update, things like that. So I have been really keeping you guys kind of in the loop on how this piercing is doing. And today I'm going to be doing something different with it that I haven't done, but I've always wanted to do. And that is, we are going to be trying a ring in my Labret piercing, okay? So this may not be like a big deal to some of you, but I have never had like an actual lip ring in any of my lip piercings before, and I figured I would film it because I'm really curious like how it's gonna look, how it's gonna feel, and just like the whole process of putting a ring in. So since I've had my Labret done, I've always just worn like little studs like this. So I have this one right here. This one I got off of Body Candy, and this is a 16 gauge, 8mm diameter, kind of like little seamless clicker ring. And I'm really hoping, fingers crossed, that this is the correct size. I kind of did amateur measuring and guessing when I got this, so I'm pretty sure this should be the right size. And the other thing I'm wondering is like, how do you put lipstick on with this kind of ring in? Because you know, when I wear makeup, I like to wear lipstick, but like, how does that work with a ring? I don't know. I'm very curious. So one thing that is very different about my Labret piercing as opposed to every other lip piercing that I've ever had is this one developed quite a bit of scar tissue on the outside of it. I don't really know why. I've only snagged it like really bad once, but this one I feel like has a lot more visible scar tissue on the outside, so I don't know if like the ring is gonna like accent that at all or anything, but yeah, so I'm really curious. So if you guys want to see me put in a lip ring, changing my Labret piercing, then let's go ahead and get started. I'm also having quite a bit of like hormonal breakouts on my chin right now, so I picked like the worst time to film this video, but I tried to cover it up with concealer the best I could, but we're just gonna roll with it. So this one that I have in is a 16 gauge, 1/4 of an inch, internally threaded barbell with the flat back. Right there. I do have a couple things here on my desk that I'm going to be using. The first thing is my hemostats to kind of grip the barbell. I have a glove. I have my NeilMed piercing aftercare spray just to kind of keep things clean, and just some tissues. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to remove this one. So I'm going to push out and grab the barbell, get a nice firm grip. Okay, so here's the little ball right here. Just gonna set that off to the side because I do not want to lose that. And there is the barbell. Gosh, this thing is so tiny. It's so crazy to me. I have like some lip oil on my lips right now, so I'm just gonna kind of dab that. Well, there's what my Labret looks like without anything in it. So I am now going to, hang on, I'm gonna grab some gloves. I have one glove, but I needed a second one. So here's an up close view of this ring out of the packaging. The biggest struggle I have with these is trying to figure out what end it opens on. So sometimes I just like to take my hemostats and just kind of lightly, okay, so it was that side, okay. What it looks like open. So what I'm gonna do is start from the inside, and we're basically just gonna feed it through. I had to take the gloves off because they just kept getting in the way and I could not see what I was doing. Okay, so we got it fed through. Alright, so we finally got it closed. Oh my gosh, that was a process. And here is what the ring looks like. Oh my gosh, does this feel so freaking weird. So the size is absolutely perfect. Like, it's nice and snug, not too snug. Here's what it looks like from the side. It's different I am not used to this look. Like, definitely different than what I am used to. So here's what it looks like on the inside. What I'm really wondering is, how do you put lipstick on with this? Do you just move it to the side? Yeah, this is my first time doing this, and I don't know how I feel about it. I don't really know if I like it or not. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get used to it. You guys will have to let me know what you think. I'm definitely going to keep my little barbell close by in case I decide I don't like it and I want to change it to something else. I will say though is it doesn't rub as much on the inside like a barbell does. Like, it feels a lot smoother on the inside, if that makes any sense. I don't know if any of you guys have experienced that. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today while I quickly switch in this ring. I just thought I would film this and upload it to my channel because, you know, I like filming everything about my piercings, so I just thought I would, you know, film this one. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you guys did enjoy, please go down and give this video a huge thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. If you are new to my channel and this is the first video of mine that you are seeing, and be sure to subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. But as the rest of you, I love you guys so very much, and I will see you very soon in my next video. I love you guys. Bye. Mwah.